Tech Tricks.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks. This is Ricky, and in today's episode, I'll show you how you can install Windows 10 operating system in any desktop or laptop. Let me take you in front of a laptop now. Here you can see I have already plugged in the bootable pen drive and trying to enter the bootloader page, and as you can see it's showing the drive SanDisk. I will just hit enter and now it will ask you to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Just click any random key from your keyboard and now you have entered the Windows 10 startup loading page. Here it will take some time to load the first setup page. In first step, it will ask you to select the language and time zone. Just don't do anything here. You can change these settings later when installation finishes. Just give a click on next and then give a click on install now. A license agreement will come up on your screen. No need of reading this. Just give a check in I accept the agreement box and click next. Now the second step, it's asking you to choose the installation type, upgrade or custom. I'll select the custom one so that I can show you how to do the disk partition. Now here you can see 200 GB drive 0 unallocated space. To create the new C drive and other recovery drives, give a click on new and enter the desired size of the disk. I am making it 100 GB, that is 102400 MB, and will give a click on apply and then OK. Now you can see it has created few hidden drives. You just have to select the primary drive and give a click on next. So it has started the installation on the selected drive now. It's copying all the information to the C drive. Here you can see the status of your installation. It generally takes 5 to 7 minutes to complete this process. I will skip some waiting time here. Few important notes for those who are going to install Windows 10. You can install Windows 10 on your computer starting with dual core processor and above with the minimum RAM requirement of 2 GB, and it will work very well with an Intel i3 processor and 4 GB of RAM. Hard disk can be selected as per your data storage needs. I have also dropped the link of fully activated Windows 10 OS in the description. Anyone can download it from there if you don't have the operating system. And if anyone needs to know how to activate Windows using KMS tool or using a command prompt, can comment below. I can make a video on that as well. And those who wants to know how to create a bootable pen drive using Rufus tool can watch my previous video. I have dropped the link in the description of that video as well. We will create the secondary partition of the hard drive when installation finishes. As you can see, it has completed the copying process and now it is asking you to restart now to continue. Give a click on restart now, and from here onwards it will take some time again. Now in this step it's asking you to select the region. We have to scroll up and look for India here. Here you can select India and now give a click on yes. Now select the keyboard layout. It's English India and give a click on yes. Give a click on skip. It's asking you to add a secondary keyboard layout. Here it is asking for the type of personal or organization use. I am using it for personal purpose, so I am selecting personal. Now you can add your Microsoft account to continue, or you can use offline account. You can again manually add it later, and if you are using an offline account now, you don't need to have the access of internet. You can easily complete the setup without internet connection. Give a click on offline account and then limited experience. Here you can enter the name of the person using this computer. I am randomly using any name and will give a click on next, and again give a click on next as you can set the password later. Click no here. Asking to turn on Cortana, I will decline it for now. Click accept on the privacy setting for your device. So it's loading up now and it will be completed in any moment. It's done now. As you can see the desktop page of your Windows 10. I'll just quickly show you how to create the other 100 GB drive, as we have just created the C drive at the time of installation. In my computer, you have to right click and press manage. In the left, you can see the option disk management. Double click in it and it will show the 100 GB unallocated drive. Right click on the box and press new simple volume. Give a click on next. Full size of the disk auto detected. Press next, the next again, and then finish. So here it is, your second drive is also ready. So as you can see the new drive, new volume E. Here you can see the drive 100 GB. So if you think the video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.